Hello students, how are you? I hope everybody are happy and they are interested to learn coding for kids. So I welcome you in my class coding for kids. Today you are going to learn so many interesting things. I know you like cartoons, animations, but you no need to only watch, but you are going to learn today how to make such cartoons and animations. So I welcome again all of you in my class coding for kids. Watch the screen carefully. If you have account, you can log in, otherwise I close it. First of all, students, see, this is a Tinker website. Okay, I have given you link in my description box, so you go through it and paste it in your browser and open the same. This is Tinker Coding Made Easy, the fun way to learn programming and develop problem solving and critical thinking skills age 5 to 18. Students, coding doesn't teach us to make cartoons, animations, but it also teaches how to develop our problem solving and critical thinking skills for age 5 to 18. You can play also. There are some guidelines for parents and K-12 educators. You can read it. So now I log in. My login account is already there, so no need to type the username and password, but first time when you are going to log in, you have to make your own account. Okay. Student, this is your class code 888-13302. This is your class code. I am sharing this class code to everybody. This is programming 100 first lesson. I am going to assign, or I see progress. We are going to take programming 100, a starter course that introduces beginner students in lower elementary grades to programming concepts using Tinker blocks. Here you are going to learn programming through Tinker blocks. It is suitable for standard 3 to 5 and level is beginner, and we are doing programming on the web. It means internet connectivity is necessary to run all these codes. Okay, so first program we are going to do. This is the introduction part. Click anywhere to continue. Hi there, welcome to Tinker. I am clicking. Here we are going to learn to code and build awesome games. We are going to learn to code using Tinker, a visual language. It is super easy to code with Tinker. You will use visual coding blocks that connect together like Lego pieces. See, such a block you have to connect to make programs. Okay, look this area very carefully. These blocks represent programming concepts and will let you create almost anything you can imagine, such as animated characters. See, this is animated character. It is coming and going back. Greeting cards. Music videos. See, his dancing means some music videos are there, and even video games. This is video game. Such video games you can make with the help of such coding. Here is an example of the things we will be making together. Next lesson. Tinker. Create your own character. See, these are blocks and you need to arrange such blocks and you have to change its value. See, this character is just running and these students are making such a code and make games. See this game. These games are built through these block coding. This solar system. Play with physics. These games are created through block programming only. Okay, such games can be made by students. See, and build your own games. Such games you can make, kids. Be confident after learning Tinker. I hope all of you are enjoying. What will you make? Think about it. Puzzle intro. Now that you know that what Tinker is, try to solve these puzzles to get an idea of how visual programming works. Students, this is puzzle for you. Can you help Gus get the tablet? This is Gus and you need to help him to get the tablet. But how many steps he has to walk? 3 steps. Okay. What is the instruction? Click anywhere to continue. So I am clicking here. Now on start. This is the walk. Okay. Then this will come here. Again he need to walk. One more walk. Then he will come here. Again we need to walk. See. Then he will come here. Okay. First walk, second, third. Then fourth step. He will get the tablet. And fourth. Our program is complete. What are the symbols? These are the symbols. Okay, now you can play. See, he got the tablet. Happy? Now we are going to do next lesson. I think you are enjoying this cartoon is very interesting. I also enjoy. So go to the next lesson. See, use walk and jump to avoid the rocks. It means these two steps he has to walk. Here he need to jump, then again walk. It means 3 walk and 1 jump. Okay, let's start. Click anywhere to continue. Each jump block makes Gus jump over the rock and moves him 2 steps forward. Okay, see, first walk, second walk, then jump. First walk, second walk, then jump. He will come here, then again walk to reach this bag. Our program complete. Let's enjoy by watching the preview. See, it is jumping and getting the bag. Now he is happy. Next lesson. Get the med kit. This is medical kit. You need to get this medical kit, but avoid the aliens. These are the aliens. How many aliens? First alien, second alien, third alien. We need to avoid these aliens. Okay, how he will reach to this medical bag? Click anywhere. Okay, but this time we need to use repeat. Okay, because many jumps are there, many walks are there, so we don't need to write many walk, many jumps. So we are using this repeat loop. Okay, so put this repeat loop. Okay, these 2 walks. Okay, first walk, second walk. Okay, after 2 walk, what he has to do? Jump. Our program complete. Let's play. Oops, there is some mistake in the program. Okay, what is saying? Try using the repeat block with walk and jump blocks inside. Connect the visual blocks in the right way to get Gus moving. Try using the walk and jump blocks. Okay, repeat the blocks in this repeat block 3 times. The repeat block is useful when you want to run the same code again and again. You can connect the walk and jump block inside. You can also change the number of times you want to repeat the code. Each walk block makes Gus walk 1 step forward to the next space on the path. Each jump block makes Gus jump over the rock and moves him 2 step forward. So I am closing it. Okay, we need to make one more program. Okay, see, first of all he need to jump. This was a mistake, na? This is the alien. He need to jump. So first of all he need to jump. So jump, he comes here. Okay, after jumping, then again he needs to walk. Okay, he will come here. Jump, walk, then jump, walk, jump, then he will get. Okay, now it is the right program. See, 3 steps. Why? Because 3 aliens are there. 1, 2, 3 aliens are there. Now our program is ready. Let's play. Jump, oh, jump, jump. See how his program is running here. And now he got the medical block. Happy? Do you want next lesson? I think really you want next lesson? Okay. Click on what he is saying. Read. In addition to coding puzzles, Tinker also uses a variety of interactive tutorials and guided lessons to help you learn and create all kinds of cool things. Let's get started. Next lesson. See, tutorial. Program Gus the astronaut to walk around the space platform. This project you will move Gus up, down, left and right using your keyboard. This is code. This is code. Code is already given. Okay. See, on start, set rotation style left right. Rotation style left right. He can rotate left or right. Okay. Forever. This is a loop. Forever. Wait 0.05 second. And next costume. He will get next costume. Okay. Let's play. What happens? Program is started. Set rotation style left right. He is doing left right now. When he start the program, rotation style is left right. He is doing left right, and loop is forever. It means he will not stop. He will move forever. He is not stopping now. Wait 0.05 second. It is very little time, so you cannot understand it is waiting for 0.05 second. And next costume. After that, he is getting next costume, means he is changing its costume. Okay. It is stage. So what we can change? We can change rotation style. Okay. Left right. You can change left right into all round, all around. See what happens. All round. See, it is not left right, it is all around. Okay. If you change, don't rotate. Now it will not rotate. Okay. This 0.5 you can 0.10 you can change the value. But you need to save the program, then you can run. Okay, program is saved. Program is saving. Now you can run the program. See, now he is moving slowly. Why? Because I have increased the time from 0.055 to 0.1. Okay. You want left, right? You want left, right? So next costume, is there any option of next costume? There is no option of next costume. Okay, see, there is no option of next costume. If you want to make very slow, so what you can do, in 0.1 you can write 1 second. Okay, then you need to save the program. It is saving. Program saved. Now you run. See, he has become very slow because you have increased the time. Okay, so such a way you can make the changes in the program or code. You can change the code and you can see the effect in the stage. Okay, here is stage. Do you want to change the stage? Here is the edit option. Click the edit option. Some options are given, some colors are given. Background. Red is selected. You can select this yellow color. Okay. So in such a way you can change the stage, you can fill the color. Okay, do you want to save? Yes, I am saving. Now it is saved program. Now we need to play. See, our stage is now changed. In such a way you can change the stage. Okay, now our stage is changed. So what we can do, back, our program is saved. Again we can play the game. See, you want to make fast, 0.05 to make it fast. See, it has become fast when you are changing the wait time. Okay, wait you have decreased, so it become fast. I hope you have understood and you have enjoyed a lot by coding. Definitely you will do practice at your home, and whenever you face any difficulty, any doubt, you place your comment in my YouTube channel. I will respond to you. Okay, please subscribe this channel, so next time when I post the video on coding for kids, you will get the notification and you can learn other topics. Share the video with your friends so that they can freely learn coding for kids, and like the video so that you can get notification whenever I post such a video in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.